Douglas Ridge is a new eco-friendly subdivision surrounded by 280 acres of conservation land. It offers 17 home lots and green home designs featuring a variety of styles, built upon the innovative Unity Home precision-engineered platform. Each home features a flexible grid build-in design that brings together the best building practices from around the world. Located in Brunswick, the gateway to Maine's magnificent mid-coast, and yet an easy commute to Portland, Douglas Ridge seamlessly melds into its surroundings, highlighting the abundance of nature, streams, ridges, privacy, and land while honoring the earth and the people who inhabit it. The community will feature 17 homes, 9 of which will be the farm style, offering 3 or 4 bedrooms. There will also be 5 Xyla models with 3 bedrooms and 3 with 2 bedrooms. Each home and lot has been thoughtfully placed to best accommodate its features and the contour of the land. At this time, we are accepting reservations for the remaining homes in Douglas Ridge. Additional information about the development and sustainable living are available on our website, mainehomeconnection.com. Or if you want to discuss the future today and the evolution of science and living, give me a call directly. I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.